today. Arnav, can you start?
Yes. So, hi, hello. Today,
Wait, Arnav. Jaslyn, Spandan, settle down first. And no more of moving this side and that side until I tell you.
today we
Wait,
have
Arnav. Wait. They are getting ready. If we say they are ready, then you can move ahead. Ready means let them give a thumbs up to you. Jaslyn, Spandan, Mana.
today we have to show our chart to Chris and send our charts pic to info@eggheadsreview.com.
Jaslyn, listen here. Jaslyn, wait, Arnav. Jaslyn, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
Mama is there next to you, correct? Tell Mama your class has started, so you can be with us. Okay, let Mama go.
Mama, ma'am told to go.
Not go. Let Mama stay quiet. Let her be there, but let her stay quiet, okay? Yeah. Let us stay quiet, okay? Let her listen to what you're doing. Okay, now, Arnav, Jaslyn, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sachin, are you ready?
Ma'am, can I come in 2 minutes?
Where are you going? It's already 2 o'clock.
Oh, but I will just come in 2 minutes. I just kept my bottle there.
Okay, go bring it. Okay, Arnav, meanwhile, you tell Jaslyn what to do.
Yes. Today, we all have to show our charts to Miss, and if you didn't did, you have to do it now, and you have to send pics in info@gmail.com. You have to send the pic of chart and how did you make it, all pic.
Arnav, check with your mail ID again. Tell me
Ma'am,
your
I
mail
sent
ID.
it already from my mom's mobile.
Wait. Oh, the pics of you doing it.
Pics
The
of me doing it?
You have sent it. You have sent it.
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
seen it.
I
I've
sent
seen
it.
it. I've seen it,
Why
dear.
Arnav was telling that I...
No, for Spandan and all he's telling. So Spandan also has to listen, okay? Justin, I've received your pics, but I need your chart as well. I've not seen your chart.
I
So,
showed, ma'am.
no,
Chart pictures.
take a pic of
Pictures
your
I've
chart.
shown. I've sent it.
Pic of your chart, I didn't see no Jocelyn.
Mama, send again. Ma'am, my mom will send again, ma'am.
Okay, dear, okay. So the pic of your chart has to be attached along with the mail and sent to info@eggedzedu.com. Okay,
I
after that,
wrote it
what are
down
we?
in my book, ma'am.
Very good. So now, next, what are we supposed to do, Arnav?
Then we have to tell everyone all in one. Hello, one in all. Um, Today I am going to present my chart, and my name is Arnav, or what is your name? And then you have to say the topics about your chart, and you should write here your name in the last corner. And
So what are they supposed to do now, Arnav? Right now, what are they supposed to do?
they should show their chart and poem.
They should show the chart and do what?
Narrate.
They
Talk
should
about.
present. They should present their chart.
We have to tell hello one and all. Today I'm going to present my chart, and my name is Arnav, and then you have to tell uh, my presentation's title is Freedom for Me by Me. Then we have to tell about a chart and tell what do you uh,
राहुल मी उदय बोलतोय B14 ऐका ना ते आपलं एमडीएफचं गॅसचं कनेक्शन आहे
what
त्यांनी
you
आज
have
घेऊन दिलं
write in the
त्याला
scripts.
सिलेंडरला तुम्हाला कनेक्ट करायला येतं
अंदर
गॅस वाल्याला बोलवायला पाहिजे
अंदर
ma'am.
नाही इथे पण माझ्याकडे तेच आहे पाईपलाईनच आहे इथे नव्हतं समर्पणमध्ये नव्हतं ते आता त्यांनी नवीन कनेक्शन
Something
घेतलंय का
is too loud at your end.
त्याला बोलवायला
I'm
लागेल
listening everything.
No, no,
I know
something.
that he's telling
ठीक आहे
that
मग तिथे
we
आल्यावर
have
मी
to
तुम्हाला
do
फोन
something
करतो
on the chat. I'm listening that only. Now he's showing this chart and that.
No, no, no. I am
Listening
trying.
everything.
No, dear, I am telling you. Somebody is speaking very loud at your end. Tell them to speak softly. Otherwise, all of us will get distracted. Correct? Tell them to speak softly. Okay. Yeah. So I'll share the PPT. We will start with the prayer as usual, our pledge, and then we'll move ahead. I will brief you completely. So Arnav, thank you so much. You tried your best in conveying to all of them what are we going to do today. Thank you so much. Shall we clap for Arnav? Shall we clap for Arnav? Very good. Mana, I'm unable to see you, Mana. Mana, are you there? Is Mana there? Can anybody call Mana? Mana, Mana?
I'm here only.
Okay, now sit straight. Don't touch your mouse at all. Okay. Okay. So today Spandan is going to say the prayer. Welcome to session 3 of our project time. Today we will start with the prayer. Spandan will say and all of us we will repeat. Clear with the children?
Yes.
Yes. Spandan, off to you.
Om
Join your hands, close your eyes. Yeah.
Saha Navavatu Saha Nav Munakatu Saha Piryam Karavavahe Tejasvi Nava Gitamastu Visvahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
So we all believe in God. So let us, all of us, pray to whichever God we believe in for 1 minute. Okay? Close your eyes, all of you. For 1 minute, you can close your eyes. Seek the blessings of Almighty and ask Him that today you should do your presentation really well in front of your parents, teachers. You should have the courage to present it well, speak well, concentrate well, and give your best. Okay? Yeah. Now, Mana, open your eyes. Yeah. Right hand onto your chest. We will read the pledge after. Mana says we will repeat it. Those who can stand in your place, you can stand. Okay? Twarita is joining. We'll wait for Twarita 1 minute. Otherwise, she will join in between. Okay? We'll wait for Twarita. She's on the way joining. Hello, Twarita. Good afternoon.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Good afternoon, Twarita.
Ma'am?
Yeah, dear. Yeah, dear.
My mom has already, my mom has sent it, ma'am.
Okay, dear, I will check the mail. Thank you so much. So we move on to the pledge. Mana is going to read it for us. We will all repeat. Your right hand on your chest. Sit straight. Those who can stand in your place. Straight, Mana, no moving when the pledge is happening. This is the respect of our country. We are showing respect to our country. So sit straight. If you are standing, stand straight. And as Mana says, we are going to repeat it softly but correctly. This is very important. Softly but correctly. This is a mark of respect we are showing to our country. Spandan straight, Arnav straight, Jaslyn, Twarita straight. Yeah, hand on your chest, near your heart. Mana, start reading. We are going to repeat. Pledge.
Pledge.
India is my country.
India is
India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters.
and
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I
shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
I
I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
very good. Okay.
Miss,
Yeah.
should I tell Twarita the points?
Yeah, what are we going to do today? So, I like the way Arnav has taken it up. Today, majorly, we are going to concentrate on something very useful, isn't it? Where is Spandan? Okay, yeah. So, majorly, we are going to concentrate something very useful, very shortly. That is on the same day, 25th we are planning to, or 29th we are planning to present this project in front of all our parents. Mana, today you are distracted. Mana, today you are distracted. No touching the mouse at all. So first is Mana, who's going to go for presentation. So we are going to train ourselves for the presentation which we are going to do in front of our parents.
Ma'am, that time we'll have the Zoom meeting.
Yeah, dear, yes, we will invite our parents in the Zoom meeting. So our parents are going to be there. Our parents are going to be like the audience in front of us. So each one of us, we will have our chart in our hand and we will be describing about each of the freedom, what we have written, and also the poem created by us. I have also given you a question that is very important. How? So I had asked, who was that? I had asked Arnav to type the question in our chat. Arnav, have you done the question in the chat, Arnav?
No.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Wait for
Let me write.
Okay. Yeah, very good, Mana. Very good. Keep the chart aside. So what are we going to do today? I will give you 5 minutes for you to prepare. First and foremost, note down the first step, only listening, no writing anywhere. Only listening to me today, then presenting. That is all. So look at the camera where I am. So I am looking at you. First step, good afternoon one and all. My name is Shobana. I'm here to present my chart today. The topic of the chart, the topic on the presentation is freedom for me by me. What is the topic?
freedom for me.
By me.
I go about in the presentation. Freedom of expression, freedom to choose, freedom to make mistakes, freedom to believe in yourself, So you will talk about each and every freedom today. Hi Arish, welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, then after that, you are going to explain about each and every freedom. According to me, freedom of expression means, and you will express whatever you feel like. Then moving on to freedom to choose. Then freedom to believe in yourself. Freedom to make mistakes. Twarita, are you listening to me? Yeah. So, about each and every freedom, we are going to express it in front of our parents. After that, we are going to present the poem written by us, which is already there on the chart. You can look at the chart and you can read, no problem. I have also written a poem on freedom, and you will start reading the poem. Now, there was a question being asked by my teacher. What was the question? Can somebody read the question? Already Arnav has put it on the chart. I don't want Arnav to put it. I don't want Arnav to read it. Let somebody else read it. Okay, Arish is going to read it because I didn't see Arish prepare his chart. Yeah, Arish, read the question.
Ma'am of Arnav.
Arish, read the question. Arish.
Ma'am, that Arnav has written.
Yeah.
We have to imagine what will happen in 2000.
Oh no. Listen. Can you imagine?
I cannot get
Ma'am, I
the
can tell.
question.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Wait. We'll ask Arish to read. Arish, read it.
Ma'am, Arnav has written that we have to imagine what will happen in 2030.
Oh dear.
Have you done the chart, Arish?
One second, Jaslyn, I'll come to that. Yeah. Okay. So, Arish, you are supposed to read the question. Okay, now I posted it for all. Read that question.
Okay, ma'am. Can you imagine your life in 2030? Will there be any change in the way you act to situations?
That is the question. I hope all of you have written what is that in 2030 you will be acting on, or how you would express your freedom, because you will be in your teens. Maybe you are going to college. You are no more in school. So how would you utilize freedom in that time, in the future? Are you going to take it too much of freedom, or are you going to know that this much I am supposed to utilize? There are some restrictions. So you are going to write it now. If you are not written it, you can utilize this time today what we are giving you. Finish it, and whoever has finished the presentation can start presenting in front of me. So 2:30 I am going to start with the presentation. I am giving time. I am going on mute for some time. I am only going to observe. If at all you need help from others, you are going to ask the help from others and start writing it now. Those who have not finished the chart are going to sit today, finish the chart during the class, rather than saying, I don't have the material. Even if we have loose sheets from our books, we are going to make chart out of it. We are not going to say, I don't have a chart, shops are not opened, nothing as such. Even if books are available, we are going to tear some papers and start writing in that. Otherwise, write it in the book. We have a separate notebook. Write it in that book itself. You don't have to have a chart. This is for whom? This is for whom? Arish, I cannot see you.
Miss, can I tell now the points?
1 minute, Arnav. Arish, this is particularly for you because last week you told me no material and I couldn't see you. You left the class even without telling me bye. I felt very sad. Arish just left the class just because he didn't bring material without even saying bye to the teacher. I felt very sad without looking at you. Okay, so we have another option. If we don't have materials, what is there? It's okay. We can write it in our book, isn't it, Arish? There is always a solution to a problem. Yes or no? There is always a solution to a problem. Yes or no, Arish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the point? It's okay. You told me the truth, ma'am. I don't have the materials. It's okay. Now start writing it in the notebook. But what are we supposed to write in the notebook? You will have to be in the class to listen. So now your friends are there to help you out. Let me see how your friends are going to help you out. Spandan is very encouraging to others. Arnav is encouraging. Varita is encouraging. Manna is very prompt in doing work. Jaslyn is there to teach you how to write neatly. So each one of you are going to teach you how to do it. Okay? Yeah, Arnav, you wanted to share some points, Arnav?
Yes.
Tell me.
Uh, 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 we have to put our chart pics in info@eggheadsedu.com, and if you don't have, and we have to put our making pics when we were making pics, what making the chart, that pasting and cutting, we have to put that pics. And if you
I can't hear you loudly. Always my voice.
Speak a little loudly, Arnav.
yes, first we have to put pics of our chart in info@eggheadsedu.com.
Ma'am, we
And
have to take the photos and then upload at agretg2@com. Okay.
and
Ma'am,
if you don't have done, you have to do it today. And you have to show it front of Miss. And we have to say, hello one and all. Today I am going to presenting my chart, and my name is Arnav, and the title of my chart is Freedom for Me by Me. And you have to write in your chart in the corner what is your name and surname.
Spandan, I am unable to see you. The golden rules are we are not going to mute ourselves. We are not going to mute our video and audio. Do you all remember our golden rules? No muting our video and audio. Manna, today I can see you getting your frozen picture every now and then. I told you not to touch the mouse but to listen only. Don't think I am on mute, but I am able to see all.
Ma'am, now can I tell ma'am?
Continue, Jaslyn.
So, Arish, first we are gonna on 25th, after finishing the chart and everything, on 25th on 9th, we are gonna one of your parents should come sit with you in the Zoom meeting, and we will there will be our audience, and we have to present it to them.
How many of you are excited about this project? Going to present in front of your parents? Okay. Okay. Arish, you know why you are saying no, no, no? In fact, even we were a little off when we didn't know what to do in this project. The reason you are saying no, 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 the reason being you didn't prepare. Now, once you start preparing, you will know how to present it. You will be excited to present it. Okay. Now, they will teach you how to present it now, how to prepare it.
ma'am, should I start it now? I have a lot more notebook. Is this much okay?
No, no problem. Okay. Spandan, start writing your question. 2:30 sharp. We are going to start one by one the presentation. Okay. Who?
Start.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
how many pages do we need?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't tear anything. In that only you write it now. Okay. Who is going to help Arish? Let me see who's going to help Arish.
I tell him how many pages he needs and what he needs to do.
Yeah. Harita is going to help Arish. So meanwhile, Arnav, you are supposed to darken your writing better. Okay.
Yes.
So you do that work. Just
In the poem.
yes, and the poem you're supposed to. Yeah, the poem you're supposed to darken it. And even on the chart, Arish, you've written with a pencil. So Twarita, you can simultaneously talk to Arish. Okay? Yeah, you can start talking to him. Yeah.
Ma'am, just 1 second. Let me get ready.
Just prepare yourself now. Spandan, you complete your question answers.
You have to take 15 by 5 15 by 5 rectangle
Add on
and write
in the
and
Swarita,
I have to. I mean,
what
ma'am,
happened?
Swarita, your ma'am told he just have to write it in the notebook. So you can't tear the page, ma'am.
Okay, so you just need to write freedom to make mistakes, then freedom to make mistakes and
give him some
first
time. Twarita, give him some time. Let him make a note of it. You show it.
Ma'am, like this see once. Should I make it like this, or should I do in a blank page?
Do it. You do it on the ruled page or on the blank page. It doesn't matter. But you have to do it. That's all.
The blank page is more easier because we have to write a little bit, then it will come very small in the room.
Okay. Okay. Use the black pen. No problem. Yeah.
Arish,
Let me bring it. Yes,
So
Jasmine.
first have to write
First,
freedom to make mistakes.
in the head for the head title, you're gonna write freedom for me by me.
Okay.
Very good. See, first is the title, Twarita. Yeah. Yes, Jaslyn. Thank you for guiding us. Yeah. So even myself and Twarita, thanks to Jaslyn. Oh, I think he's gone to get the pen. Meanwhile, what about your question, Twarita? Have you completed that?
Ma'am, I completed that. Ma'am, I did not write the poem but.
Oh, okay. Then meanwhile, you also start preparing the poem because 2:30 we're going to present it. Okay. So Jaslyn, I think you've completed the complete chart presentation. So I think you are going to be the one who's going to help out Arish now. Okay, continue. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Arish, finish writing the heading.
1 second. Ma'am, is this much page okay?
Okay, now I'm not going to help Arish. Jaslyn is going to help Arish. Okay, because Jaslyn knows the complete process.
Ma'am, let me tear it.
Arish, first freedom for me by me title. The title is freedom for me by me.
Ma'am, how much should I measure for freedom for me by me?
Don't
No
tell
problem,
me.
you can just write it down.
Just write it.
Okay, ma'am.
You write the notes, you write it. The title. Put today's date.
Freedom for me, for me, for me.
By me.
Okay,
So freedom for me by me.
okay. Next,
Let me still ma'am make a line so that it is.
Ma'am, is it
Are you
okay if I mute myself?
Arish, done?
No problem. Mute only your audio, not the video, Twarita. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Now,
is this okay?
now you're gonna write freedom of expression in one side.
Just
Down
1
below.
second. Freedom of expression.
Yes.
Freedom.
Mana, what is Mana doing? I don't see Mana practicing. Mana, you need to practice your presentation.
Under the title, Arish.
See you practicing your presentation.
Under the title, can you show how? Can you show?
Start practicing for each heading, freedom of expression. Stand up and say.
I am done. Just 1 second.
So practice in front of us now. We are going to watch you. Though you are on the mute, we are going to watch you.
Oh, ma'am.
Mute only your audio and start practicing to yourself. How are you going to present it now?
Yes, can you just show me the chart, or Jaslyn, are you going? Okay. Yeah, now. Just come in a minute, okay, ma'am?
You just have
Where
to
are you
put
going, Nandan?
under the title.
Just
You're
1
gonna
second. I
write the
think I should
heading.
measure with 3. Can you just show? Can you do the camera little back so that I can see all the titles at the top? All the titles as in the freedoms of title. Can you do a little down?
Okay, Arish, I'm putting it on the chat. On the chat, you can copy the title. Okay.
Ma'am, I just wanted to see how many are there so that I can just make lines. No,
I'm
there are three.
I'm choosing. There are five. There are five. Five.
I don't think so. It will be easy to.
You can write it in the next page also. You can continue with it.
But then there is only one page. I mean, the
Look at the chat, Arish. Look at the chat.
freedom of expression, freedom to choose, freedom to believe in yourself. And there are only three.
First, freedom
Freedom to make
of expression, freedom
Then
of expression, freedom to
then-
choose,
Very good. Svarita has typed completely. Yes.
believe in yourself, freedom to
Ma'am, is
make
it freedom
mistakes.
for freedom of expression?
Yes.
Freedom of expression is. I'm just seeing Salitas.
Anna, you chat with me. You chat with me because they are discussing. You chat with me, Mana.
Freedom of expression, freedom to choose, freedom to believe in yourself, freedom to make mistakes. Am I it over?
And freedom of thoughts.
And freedom of
Thought.
thought.
Thought spelling you want?
I sent it on the chat.
Yeah, thought.
Okay, freedom of thought.
Yeah.
There are five.
Of thoughts.
So one should be this much.
Ma'am, it's already 2:30.
We're going to start. He's still preparing, no? Mana, I'm waiting for your chat, dear. You wanted to tell me something? Mana? Mana, are you there? Arav, did you finish your poem? Writing?
How can someone not have the freedom of thoughts?
Freedom of thoughts, yeah?
How can somebody not have the freedom of thoughts?
Then how can
How can
somebody
somebody not have the freedom of thoughts?
not have the freedom of thoughts? Where is it written?
Ma'am, I'm asking that how can someone not have the freedom of thoughts? Like nobody can know what you're thinking.
That's what. Whatever we are thinking, can we not have that freedom? Because sometimes we say, no, I think today we should have some party at home. I think today we should have a small discussion in our class. So
Like
that,
when you tell somebody what you think,
yeah.
then they do not tell you not to think about that.
No. So they are going to say, see, you think that we are not going to have discussions, but according to me, we should have our presentation. So what you think, sometimes I can say no to it, isn't it? So according to you, you feel it's right. But according to me, I feel today it's going to be presentation. Got it, Mana? So freedom of thought is not only just thinking and keeping it to yourself. You're going to express it. That's why freedom of thoughts. Okay, sometimes our parents tell us, no, wait, Varita, I'm coming to you. Sometimes our parents tell us, no, don't think that you can escape from studying today. You will have to study. Yes, Jaslyn is laughing, smiling there. Yes or no? Don't think you can have some more chocolates. I'm watching you. Your parents tell you that, isn't it? So they know that what you are thinking. Yes or no, Manna? So now you got it. Don't think, Mana, that when you're typing on the mouse or on the chat, I'm unable to see you. I can see you, Mana. Yes or no? Okay. Twarita, you wanted to ask something?
Can you
There
tell
with
me
Harry?
again? Ma'am, can you tell me again what is a freedom of expression?
Okay. Freedom of expression, when we have something to tell somebody freely. For example, I feel like expressing that we should go out during the pandemic time at least for 1 hour. See, there was complete lockdown, isn't it? When government told us from 8 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening, nobody is allowed to go out at all. But if there is an emergency, I would want to go out. So how should I say? Can they come and read my mind? No. So I should express it, isn't it? I should say, can you at least give us some liberty if there is an emergency we can go out? So that is expression, isn't it? And also I told you our India is a democratic country. When there is a rule, there are people who voice out also saying, why should we follow this rule? Isn't it? So, in our democratic country, we have so much of freedom that we can voice out our opinions as well. Why has onion prices gone up so much? Don't we say that? So that is, yeah. So sometimes you can see small children. We'll take small children. They take crayons and they start scribbling on the walls. What is that? Do they know how to read and write? They have not.
That's written all 5
ma'am.
topics: freedom of expression, freedom to choose, freedom to believe in yourself, freedom to make mistakes, and freedom of thoughts.
Okay, now what you're supposed to do, your friends will help you in telling you.
And then Arish, you finished writing the how. Now you should write according to you what is freedom of expression, freedom of believe in yourself. You have to write down that under the heading you wrote in freedom of expression.
Under heading means down of heading or the straightly down of heading? Because
No.
I've written first and second. Can you show?
Not like that. Oh no.
Then can you just show? Let me see.
You're supposed to write. See, you're gonna write the heading here.
I'm written like this.
Freedom of mistakes, and then down you're gonna write according to you what is.
Ma'am, I've
freedom
written
of
like this.
And yeah, write the.
Yeah, so under freedom to make mistakes,
Can you see this? Arish, can you see this? See the camera? Look at this. Yeah.
Let me pin you. Ma'am, freedom for me by me. And what is Arish status?
Okay. So you will have to write freedom of expression. Under freedom of expression, according to me, freedom of expression means, and start writing.
Ma'am, I have written like this.
No problem, Arish. Now take one
After
second.
that,
Next line you write. Leave it. It's okay. Now next line, take only one. Freedom of expression. Then you start elaborating on it. Understood now?
Freedom of expression, I have to write what I feel for freedom of expression.
Yeah. According to you, what is freedom of expression? Understood? Arish, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now freedom to make mistakes. According to Arish, what is freedom to make mistakes? Okay. So shall we begin with our presentation now, children? Are you all ready?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Jocelyn told that we have to do the presentation.
Teacher, I mean, ma'am,
Yeah, that is when you're gonna call your parents. Now we are gonna practice it.
Oh,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, my
can we
camera-
take a break? Should we take the break? It's time now, I think so.
Those who want to take a break, please take your
Just
Under, today we have not done much. We have only just taken. Right.
But can I just go to the washroom?
Yeah, go and come back. Who else wants to take a break?
off my camera and myself, I'll just do my work and then
So
when
another 5 minutes we are going to.
Anish, I'll send you this one.
which one?
I'll send this one. All the things I've written down, like the heading and stuff.
Okay,
My mom is muting me and keeping my audio off.
Arish, I'm
I'm
sharing.
not done.
Okay, for Arish's sake, I'm sharing something. So let him see that and let him start writing. Okay. Arish, can you see the screen? Arish, are you there?
I can see. Yes,
Ah,
ma'am. Freedom of expression
correct.
about to
So you
me.
have an,
Freedom of expression bill.
exactly. So you have an unruled book. So start writing. So
Okay,
those
ma'am.
who want to go for a break, go and come back, children. So
Yeah,
we
ma'am.
take a break now. It's 2:38. So 2:43 we are going to be back. Yeah. Go and come back. Arav, you also you join. Arnav, you join early, so you can take a break and come back. Yeah, Twarita. Sorry, dear. Yeah. Tell me.
Wanted to ask that what is the difference between freedom of expression and freedom to make mistakes? I didn't understand that.
Yeah. So while writing, now for example, I am preparing this presentation. Okay. I am presenting it in front of my teachers. Imagine I am presenting in front of my teacher, my parents. But out of anxiety, I don't get words, as many words as I do in the class. I'm stuck somewhere. And I'm a little nervous that time. And somewhere I was okay in my presentation, not do good in my presentation. So somewhere I felt I've made a mistake without taking time to prepare earlier, isn't it? During the weekends we have time, Saturday, Sunday we have time. The teacher is giving time during the class, but I didn't prepare it well. So what is it you felt in your mind? Don't you feel that you've made a mistake without utilizing your time correctly?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the learning out of it?
That we must utilize our time well and not waste our time.
Yeah. So I should use my time correctly, and next time I should not commit the same mistake. So next time when an opportunity like this arises in presenting somebody or completing my homework, I should see to that I utilize the time correctly. So one time you have made a mistake, that's okay. But you have to rectify that mistake. So freedom to make mistakes. That is one example. The second example is I'm writing a sentence. The teacher is asking me, okay, children, frame a sentence on presentation. I've written it, but I've made a mistake there. I've written the sentence, but I've made a mistake. Is it okay or not okay?
First time it's okay, but then you have to check always and then tell the teacher.
Yeah, so freedom to make mistake is not that you get fearful. Oh my God, I will make a mistake, so I'm not going to prepare on this at all. It is okay if you make a mistake, but learning should be there out of making the mistake and not to repeat the same. Parita, clear with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so are we all back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will show you something very interesting. Last week itself, I wanted to show all of you.
Ma'am, what about that ferryman? You wanted to show us that video of ferryman?
Yes, ma'am. What about that?
Same thing. Last week, the power was not fine, isn't it? So I couldn't show all of you. Today, I'm going to show it to all of you. Okay.
Ma'am, Arish, can you give me an example of freedom of expression?
What dear? What dear?
Freedom of expression.
I think so. Somebody is talking from somewhere.
He's talking from something.
Something like news.
Yes.
Some voice came.
Yeah, I'm going to share that for y'all. For y'all
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
Ferryman, ma'am?
Yeah.
Oh,
And ma'am, one day you told to search about hairy man.
Can you see?
yeah. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to play it for all of you because you all are back from your break. Arish, I can't see you. Spandan.
Ma'am, can we all mute our mic so that we can hear clearly?
Okay. Mute your mic and listen to her. Okay. This is about a small girl. So Twarita was asking, ma'am, if we make a mistake, is there any problem in that? So Twarita, you will understand this better. Okay, Batul, you have a cavity. Okay, that's why I saw you holding your cheeks. Okay, I'll come back on that. You should take some lavang. What do you call for that? I'll tell you. Okay, yeah. Okay, shall I play it? Manna, are you ready? Do you want to take some rest? Okay, yeah. I'm playing it for all of you. Look at the screen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
And you didn't start it.
I played. Yeah.
At just 9 years old, the Harriman girl is already getting her career started as an entrepreneur. Emery Hartley has her own business selling children's clothes. ABC4's Kara Murphy tells us how she got that business off the ground.
If there's one thing Emery Hartley knows about, it's clothes. I like it because it's blue, and that's my favorite color, and I like flowers. That's why she came up with an idea to start a business about one of her favorite things. Earn money and learn how to do a business. So, at just 9 years old, she's an entrepreneur. It feels awesome and cool. And with the help of her mom and best friend, Emery sold all her old toys and started Dot Dot Smile Girl Boss. She's 9 years old, and I told her just because she's 9 years old, she doesn't mean that she can't have her own.
Spandan, are you
She
seeing?
sells leggings, dresses, shorts, you name it, and she knows how to sell her product. This is a ballerina dress. I like how it's super soft and how it twirls. Her mom says Emery works hard, and she couldn't be more proud. My husband and I are super proud of her. She's very smart. She's great at math. She is a really good student, loves to learn. So I'm just excited to be able to teach her about a business. And of course, Emery says she wants to save 20% of what she earns and put it away. But that other part, probably just buy more clothes to wear. In Harriman, Kara Murphy, ABC4 News.
Emery says she just received her first order and
So how was it? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Then you're asking what is entrepreneur?
What NTPOR?
Pardon?
What NTPOR?
Oh,
Entrepreneur.
okay, entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur means, okay, Mana, entrepreneur means the one who wants to start their own business and they own it.
Ma'am, like the video you showed us last time, the small boy, he made a business of helping the country.
Exactly. So also you remember that this girl, she has started her own clothing clothing shop. So in her country, she has created to design her frocks, design small skirts, and they also say that out of 100% of her profit, 20% she is keeping it aside, and 80% she has it with her to enlarge her shop. She is going to make it bigger and bigger. That is really nice, isn't it? So she is keeping 20% as a profit, and 80% she is using it to
Enlarge her shop.
enlarge her shop. That's really nice. So how many of you want to become entrepreneurs in future? Oh, okay, Arnav, Jaslyn. What, Manna? What, Manna? Huh?
I want to become an artist.
Miss.
You wanted to become a art? Can't hear you.
I want to become an artist, not an artist.
Artist. Okay, very good. So there, 1 minute, Arnav. There again. So if you are going to make beautiful paintings and sell it, you are an entrepreneur there. Got it, Manna? Yes. Okay, Arnav. Yeah, Arnav. Tell me.
I'm a YouTuber also.
Okay. You are on the YouTube, huh?
Yes.
Ah,
My mother and father edits my video, and the channel name is Yo-Yo Pro.
okay, put it on the chat. What is the name of the channel? Yeah. Jaslyn, what kind of entrepreneur do you want to become? You're on mute. You're on mute, Jaslyn. Next, coming to Spandan. Spandan does a lot of coding and all, but I don't know. He didn't say I want to become an entrepreneur. Let me see. Arish, are you there? Arish, are you back? Yeah.
I was there only.
Jaslyn,
I want to make like a factory.
oh.
Like I'll take my parents' help in case, like like a photo booth. You can have some dresses and hats and cool stuff, and then you can take photos.
Uh-huh.
Cute things.
Okay, okay. So that's already there, and all that you have to do is you just pick one and arrange yourself, or you dress up and
You have to put the background and then all the things you need for this one.
okay. So you will have different kinds of virtual backgrounds like we have in Zoom. So I say, Jacqueline, madam, can you give me the background of a Goa setup? So Jacqueline will help me get a Goa setup.
I think I have. I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, not to worry. Spandan, what happened? Spandan didn't say whether you would like to become an entrepreneur or not. No, that's nice, Jacqueline. But it becomes like a ghost. Your head comes and the body doesn't come.
Yeah, that's the thing, ma'am.
Yeah, Spandan, what happens? Spandan is a little low. Spandan, are you there? Spandan?
I'm there.
Oh, okay. Spandan, what would you like to become?
Spandan wants to become a gamer or an army man.
Oh, I love army man. I fall for army people. You know why? They are not self-centric. Yes, Mana? They are not self-centric. They serve for the nation. Yes, no, Spandan? Spandan?
They are fighting
Yeah,
the
Spandan.
end of our country.
Selfless service. Army people are selfless service. You know, they live for others. Very nice, Twarita. Oh, very good. Designs also. Okay, then we go with the presentation. Who goes first? Let me see in the chat whose name goes first. Quickly on the chat. Today. Yeah. Quickly. Arish, are you back? Oh,
I did first. I will go first.
yeah. Twarita, Arnav. Swandan went first. Then Arnav, then Twarita. Okay. Yeah. So first is Spandan. Yeah, Spandan. Good afternoon, one and all. So I am your parent. All the parents. I am all the parents together, sitting in front of you. Go, Spandan, go.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to tell you about the topic I'm doing. So the topic's name is Freedom or Me by Me. So in this, I have to tell. In this, there are 5 topics. So first topic is freedom of expression, freedom to believe in yourself, freedom of thoughts, freedom to make mistakes, freedom to choose. So what my heart tells, I will tell you today. So freedom of expression to me is the power of right to express one's opinions without censorship, restraint, or legal penalty. I'm going to tell you freedom to believe in yourself. I take my own decision when I sleep not properly, then my father shouts at me. But I take my decision by me own. I will sleep like this only. Now I'm going to tell you freedom of thoughts. We can fly, we can teleport. We are the fastest creature on the universe. Now I'm going to tell you freedom to make mistakes. When sometime I do something wrong, but my teacher or friends etc. but they don't shout at me. Now I'm going to tell you freedom to choose. Freedom to choose. You can play.
Okay. Spandan, 1 minute. You have all the 5 topics. Okay, a small correction here. That's really nice that you started it off. One small correction here. I know what I've written on my chart. Who has written it on the chart? We are parents, or did we Google it and see? We have written it from our mind, isn't it?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so after seeing freedom of expression, according to me, freedom of expression means, and you're going to look at the camera and speak and not at the chart. Chart, okay, the poetry you can see and say because every line we cannot by heart it. But whereas the heading alone you look at it and then you start speaking from your heart and mind. Okay,
But
Swan?
ma'am, I can't tell everything only like this. I will have to see the chart, but
Ah, you can see. Now and then you can see. But seeing and reading is not so interesting, right? What is there in your heart?
I will part it afterwards. But now can I just do it presentation?
No
I will
need to
part
by
it.
heart, dear. No need to by heart. What is there in your mind, you speak that. More than enough. Nobody is going to give you marks here saying 100 out of 100, 80 out of 100, nothing
But
like that.
ma'am, I will have to see only this whole thing. But I can't remember then. Nothing I can't remember after it. When if I don't see it.
And in the next session, will you be able to just see the heading and speak in front of the camera?
Yes, in next session I will do it.
Okay, okay. Now you see and read. Okay, good, good.
Where was I? I was to freedom to choose here only. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Freedom to choose to me is you can fly, you can teleport anywhere, anything you want, you can get it, etc. Now I'm going to tell the poem. I fly up in the sky like a butterfly. I believe in myself. I am right. I have the freedom to fly. I have the freedom to do just anything. Now I'm going to tell you about what will I do in 2030. In 2030, I'll be 18 years old. I can ride a bike from that age. It will be super amazing. I can go anywhere because I'll be an adult.
Very good, very good. So can we clap for Spandan? Very good. Yeah. Arish, are you there? Arish, again you muted yourself. Arish?
And oh, I don't know what happened with me. It was showing, please wait, the host will in you soon, and I was out of the meeting.
Okay, okay, okay. So you have you finished it? Why have you muted yourself? The golden rule, have you forgotten it? We are not supposed to mute our audio and video. Okay, who has to go next? No, yes, Arnav, yes.
Hello everyone and one and all. Today I am going to tell about my chart and my name is Arnav.
Hold your chart to your right, yes. Ah.
And this is my chart. And the title of my chart is Freedom for Me by Me.
Okay, one small correction, can we do it here? Instead of saying this is my chart, let us say this is my poster. All of you together?
This is my poster.
This is my poster.
Can you call it a project?
Project, poster, anything. Okay, yeah.
And the title of this project is Freedom for Me by Me. And there are 5 topics: freedom of expression, freedom to choose, freedom to believe in yourself, freedom to make mistakes, freedom of thoughts. According to me, freedom of expression means what you are feeling. Example, happy or sad. And according to me, freedom to choose means whatever a favorite color or a favorite flower we want, we can choose that. According now, freedom to believe in yourself. According to me, freedom to believe in yourself means to go on the straight path by yourself. Now, freedom to make mistakes. According to me, freedom to make mistake means Uh, though what, according to me, freedom to make mistake means no one can stop you if you make mistakes. Now, freedom of thoughts. According to me, freedom of thoughts is we can imagine whatever we want in our thoughts. And now I am going to recite my poem. Freedom for me, freedom by me. Freedom to see in the sky, freedom to blink your eye, freedom to see the stars, freedom to imagine that you are on Mars.
Very good. Some more lines you add on. Okay, Arnav.
Yes.
Next class, some more lines. How many stanzas actually we decided?
4 stanzas, and each stanza has 4 lines.
Yes, each stanza should have minimum
There-
4 lines. Or
There is 4 lines only.
yeah, but actually, how many stanzas?
Like
1.
4.
Stanzas. We said how many stanzas, Jaslyn?
4.
4 stanzas. Remember, Arnav? So 3 more to write. So start writing simultaneously. You listen to others. So who goes third? Very good. Come on, come on. So all of us should be clapping for who?
Arnav.
Arnav. Spandan? Spandan? Yeah, very good. Okay. Farida for Arnav? Okay, okay. I'll teach you one more new clap today. Okay, quickly, Twarita. After Twarita, very good, very good. Yes. Your background, Arish, simultaneously start preparing yours. You're running out of time. Your time is very short now. Your normal background, Arish, normal background.
Okay. I'm gonna like this background. That's why I was.
Don't do that. No. Normal background, golden rules too. Twarita, we go with you now. Good.
I don't have any idea of freedom of expression and
Hello,
this.
one and all.
That's
Good.
why I'm saying.
Listen what they are saying now. Then you will get an idea. Last week you missed out, isn't it? So now you listen. Twarita, go.
Good afternoon. Hello, one and all. Today I'm going to show you this poster which tells you about freedom for me by me.
This is our project. This is our project.
This is the project I've made. Freedom has freedom is mainly divided into 5 types. They are freedom to choose, freedom of expression, freedom to make mistakes, freedom of thought, and freedom to believe in yourself. Now, freedom to choose. According to me, freedom to choose is when you have multiple choices to choose from and you can choose whatever you like whenever you want. Freedom of expression. When you express your ideas without thinking if they are right or wrong, then you have the freedom of expression. Freedom of thought. When no one stops you from thinking in a particular way, then you have the freedom of thought. Freedom to believe in yourself. When everyone encourages you and no one stops you from believing in yourself, then you have the freedom to believe in yourself. Freedom to make mistakes. Actually, ma'am, I had got a bit confused still, so I couldn't write both of them. I'll
Okay.
think over it.
Okay, I've given you some examples. No, now keep those examples in mind and then start framing your sentence. Now moving on to your poem, is it?
Yeah. Our teacher also asked us a question, how our life would be in 2013 and how we would use our freedom.
2000?
2000.
Sarita, it is
13.
not 2013, it is 30.
30, 30. You will be in your teens. 30, 30. Huh.
I'll be 19 years old in 2030. I can do most of the things by myself. I can even ride a car, ride a bike, and also, and I'll be in college. I won't be in school. So, yeah, that's my life in 2013. I won't misuse my freedom. I won't misuse my freedom.
Very good.
And I still think freedom is very important for all of us.
Very good, very good. Okay, so you're not going to misuse your freedom and you're going to use it in a rightful manner, isn't it? That is your conclusion.
I
Okay.
also give others my freedom.
Very
I also give others freedom to do most of the things they like.
okay, okay. Very good.
Now
Very
I'm going to tell you my poem.
uh,
Ma'am, I'm not done.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going to tell you my
Go on.
freedom is for all of us.
He's saying a poem.
We must use it without a freedom is divided into 5 types. That is freedom to choose, freedom to believe in yourself, freedom to make mistakes, freedom of thought, and lastly, freedom of expression. Freedom of thought is when no one stops you from thinking in a particular manner. Freedom to make mistakes is when ma'am, actually the poem was made when you had not told this, so I changed a bit. Freedom to make mistakes is when we express our ideas without thinking if they are right or wrong.
No problem.
Freedom to choose is when you can choose from many things. Freedom to believe in yourself is when you can believe in yourself without thinking and people around you are encouraging you. And lastly, freedom of expression is when, ma'am, that I don't know again.
Okay, freedom of expression is when you can express what you think is right, whether it is right or wrong, you can express it whenever you feel like. Okay, there are no restrictions at all because we are in a democratic country, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Mana has a little bit of toothache, so she will be speaking to us little softly. So let us be alert and listening to her. Okay? Yeah, quickly, we are running out of time. Yeah, Mana. And then Jaslyn.
Hello everybody. My name is Manha.
One second. We all forgot to do something for Twarita. Ah. Very good, Twarita. Okay, now Mana. Yeah, Mana.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell you one thing, that how is my designs? Look.
You should ask your friends more than my opinion. For me, any child does anything is their own creativity. So that's an excellent work. Now you should ask your friends.
Excellent, Sarita. Really nice.
How is my design?
Should the others also do it, Twarita?
Yeah, I see what I can. Like just decorate
It is very
chat.
good. Design.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, Mana, we go with you, and next is Jaslyn. Mana, if you can be a little faster, kid.
Everyone, my name is Manha Batul. My project's name is Freedom for Me by Me.
There are 5 subtopics.
5 subtopics about freedom.
They are
They are freedom to choose, freedom of thoughts, freedom of expression, freedom to make mistakes, freedom to believe in yourself.
Well, very good. Huh. According to me, freedom.
Freedom to choose means that we get to choose everything for ourselves and nobody can force us to do things we don't want to. Freedom of thoughts to me is when I can think about anything I want and share it with people around me without fear or shame.
Next.
Ourselves to me is my ability to set my own goals and do my best to achieve those goals.
Okay.
I think
We can't hear you, Manna. Loudly, loudly. If you keep shaking, no, we can't hear you. Next is freedom.
fear of failure or being wrong. Mistakes allow us to improve ourselves.
Okay. Manna? Hello?
There's one sound coming, ma'am, like some. To express my feelings openly at all times without fear.
Okay. Next. No chatting, Spandan. Listen to her. Sit straight.
In a poem. I want to write a poem. I want to learn to cook. I want to do a painting. I want to read a book. I want to build some Lego. I want to sing a song. I want to do some sums, even if I get them wrong. I want to switch the light out and study the stars. I want to make a spaceship and fly up to Mars. I want to be a queen. I want to go to Rome. I want to rule the world. But now it's time to go home.
Very good. So, what about the question? Quickly, quickly.
Imagine your life in 2030. Will there be any changes in the way you act to situations? In 2030, I would be 18 years old. I would be more mature and able to do things my way. I would have better understanding of situations and would be better at handling everything that comes my way.
Very good. That's very nice. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Very good. Awesome kids. All of you are so brave in presenting. Okay, now coming to Jaslyn. Yeah. Quickly, Jaslyn. Everybody wants to. It's already time.
I did not the spelling of amazing wrong.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my project work. And the topic is about freedom for me by me. We have 5 different types of freedoms. First, freedom of expression. According to me, freedom of expression means first point, women viewpoints should be respected. Second point, poor people should get changed to express. Third point,
Look at the camera, Jaslyn. Rather than reading it, look at the camera and speak. Yeah.
I have to see. I'm not. I can only tell and see.
Okay. See and say, no problem. But next class, without seeing, all of you should be prepared. Okay.
Nobody in nobody's emotions should not go unheard. Next, second one, freedom to choose. According to me, freedom to choose means not allowing anybody to interfere in your matter, but make your own choice and be happy about it. Every single person is free to choose what he or she wants. Third one, freedom to believe in yourself. According to me, freedom to believe in yourself means we should not let anybody dominate us or put us down in any situation. We should believe in yourself and prove to people that we can do it, no matter how hard it seems. Fourth one, freedom to make mistakes. According to me, freedom to make mistakes, not doing a crime or not rejecting about once. It means we are human and we tend to make mistakes, but we need to learn from our mistakes.
Very
Not
good.
hide it. The fifth one, freedom of thought. According to me, freedom of thought means everyone should be Jim. Everyone should be Jim. Equal
Should be? Everyone should be, dear. Can you repeat that?
Everyone should be given equal opportunity to give one's thoughts, ideas, or views in their respective fields or area of work.
Okay. So you should be saying this in your own words. Okay, Jaslyn? You're capable of doing so. Then why read it? Okay. Continue.
Now I'm gonna recite my poem. Let me live the way I like. Let me be free. Let me fly high with my dreams. Let me swim in the sea. Let me see through the mirror. Let me be real. Let me make no changes to myself. Let me be no more subtle. Let me dance in the rain. Let me be the artist. Let me feel what life is like. Let me be my own charioteer. Let me walk miles on my own. Let me be a globetrotter. Let me be free to be me. This is what freedom means to me. Now I'm gonna read the question and the answer. Can you imagine your life in 2030? Will there be any change in the way you act to the situation? Answer. In 2030, I will be a grown-up person, a much responsible person in my family, society, and better citizen of my family, my country. I will have the right to vote and choose a better government for my country. I will voice out against the crime and injustice happening in my surrounding. Hope to be a loyal and responsible person in my future. The end.
Very good. So all of you, superb. So can we clap for Jaslyn? Yes, very good. Mana, can we clap for Jaslyn? Yes. Okay. So all of us, let's wish Mana to recover from her toothache. So can we tell her, take care of your toothache, Mana?
Take care of
Take care of your
Take care of
toothache.
your toothache. Take care.
Okay, take care. How was it? How did you all feel today presenting?
But
Nice.
we have to keep practicing.
Yeah, you'll have to practice some more, but it was really good. Those who have not yet done, Arish, you are not yet done. So next class, first question will be Arish.
And
Ma'am, you told you have to do it in front of the parents also. So
Yes.
when do we have to do that?
We'll do, most probably we'll be doing it on 25th. So next class, we will have our regular English sessions. Okay?
I'm gonna hang this in my room, ma'am, when I go to my house.
Very good. So send the posters along with you. Keep the poster next to you. With your photo, you send it. So if I hold the poster, I'll have to take a photo along with me, not the poster alone. I don't want to see the poster alone. I want to see the poster with a beautiful face. Okay? So that you're going to send it to me today, right now. Go, see you. Bye. Bye to all.
See my YouTube channel also.
Sure.
Yo bro.
I subscribe your YouTube channel.
Okay.
Oh
Okay.
yo bro.
Yes, I see it. It's too cool.
Yesterday night,
It's very cool.
today, okay?
Okay, do you want to converse with each other? You all can keep talking for some time. I'm exiting now, so you all can keep talking with
And
yourself.
you have to talk with each other that time.
You all can
I really liked your poem.
see, they are already talking to each other. So I'm leaving. Bye. You can continue to be here. Okay. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. It's cool.
Bye bye.
Wait, Arnav, one
Yes.
second. Let me share screen. Let me ask you, is this one only your? Oh, where is my screen? Yeah. See, can you see my screen?
Yes.
How did you do that?
1 second.
I clicking
Is
screen.
this Yo-Yo Bro?
Yes.
It's so funny.
There are two characters, Yo-Yo and Baloo.
Yeah, seriously. Yo-Yo and Baloo, both are you.
Yes.
You could even keep the name Yo-Yo Baloo. Because there are both characters are Yo-Yo and Baloo.
Which episode you like?
I
Arish,
only
put the bloopers. Put the bloopers.
Bloopers?
Yeah,
Bloopers is very funny.
behind the scenes.
With this one?
Go up, go up.
Go up.
I'm up.
Yes.
The first one.
Bloopers.
I didn't watch it, but I just saw your channel.
Let's see.
Oh my god. Do full screen. Full screen.
I don't know. Oh my god.
Oh, it's stuck? Ah.
Yo, bro. What's up, bro? Yo. Yo, bro. What's up, bro? Yo, what's up, bro? है ये तो कौवे का party है.
Really?
No, it was the cream.
Oh my god.
Baloo है.
All my friends are having conversation. And
Baloo है.
my that guy I told no, he has a YouTube channel.
It's very funny. अन्ना तुम्हारी कमर में दर्द हो गया था क्या? ऐसे कर रहे हो?
What?
तुम्हारी कमर में दर्द था क्या? ऐसे कर रहे हो?
No.
यो. एक सेकंड भाई, मेरा डॉग है. चलो.
मैंने कौवे को परेशान किया था,
देख लो.
इसलिए उसने मेरे ऊपर पॉटी किया था. उसने मेरे ऊपर पॉटी किया था. कौवे ने मेरे ऊपर पॉटी किया था.
Oh my god.
Oh man, I see.
What? That word came there on it.
नहाना है या मैं नहा सकती
Okay. I think Garma ma'am told us to exit the class.
No, she said tomorrow we have to come in 1 p.m.
Okay. So I'm
Kids, you can join by 1 p.m. every day and have lots of fun together. Right? So it will be open. You can, and teacher will join at 2 p.m. So there would be, so you can just join and talk to each other before the classes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
join us in, ma'am.
Yeah, it's not compulsory, but yes, you can join and have fun. We will have to leave as of now. I will have to call off this meeting as of now, but yeah, tomorrow you can join before 1 and have lots of fun
Okay,
and
ma'am, I've
see
stopped
all
my
these
session.
channels.
I've
Arnav
stopped.
joins most of the time early, so he can put it and show all of you. Okay?
Yes.
Ma'am, either I will put it, I will also join before.
Yeah, sure. You can join. You can join at any point of time. Just after 1, you can just join at any point of time.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
will you
Okay?
start the meeting in one? Garima ma'am also, ma'am, Garima ma'am told in our one-to-one that I will start the meeting on 1, then your friends can chat.
Okay, everyone.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay, chalo, bye-bye.
Bye friends. Bye bye.
Bye.